Hey there everyone, so in this video I want to show you guys two methods to view your iPhone on your TV. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Okay, so we're going to be going over two different methods of viewing your Apple iPhone on your TV. It doesn't matter what iPhone you have. It could be iPhone X, iPhone 8, 7, 6, 5. It doesn't really matter what iPhone or what iOS. All you need is your iPhone. You need the TV that you're going to be using. It does not have to be a smart TV. And you're going to be needing one of these two. So these are the two ways that we're going to be talking about in this video that you can connect and view your iPhone on your TV. So there's going to be two methods. One is going to be with the Apple TV. So this way is wireless. So you're going to be connecting wirelessly your iPhone through the Apple TV to view your iPhone on the TV. And then with this special Lightning to HDMI cable that we have here, we can connect the iPhone and view it on the TV as well, but it's not wireless. It's with the HDMI cable. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be going over the pros and cons of each of these two methods so you can decide which one you want to use. Okay, so first off, the Apple TV is obviously, in my opinion, the best way to go, but it is also more expensive. So that's why we want to compare both of these methods. So the Apple TV here, this one is the regular Apple TV. They also have the Apple TV 4K so that you can view videos in 4K quality. So this one right here is about $149.99 right now at most stores. And this HDMI cable, you can get it for about under $10. So that's the purpose of this video. I want to compare a more expensive option, which is obviously the Apple TV, to a less expensive option. So this one over here is about $149.99, about $150, and this one is about $10 and under. So big difference there. So I just want to show you guys how both of them work, and so that you can decide if it's actually worth spending that extra cash and getting the Apple TV. You might be able to just use this HDMI cable and use it for whatever you're trying to do. So first off, let's talk a little bit about the HDMI cable. So the HDMI cable has that lightning cable on one side and an HDMI and USB cable on the other side. So you're going to connect the HDMI cable to your TV and the USB cable as well to the TV and the lightning cable to your phone. You're going to put the TV to the correct channel and it should start reading your iPhone right away as long as you have it connected properly. So the benefits of this is that, you know, for under the $10, you're able to view your iPhone on your TV. So you can view it exactly how it is that you view your iPhone normally. And if you rotate the iPhone into landscape mode, you'll be able to view the iPhone completely on your TV. Some apps are only vertical viewing apps that you'll only be able to view them vertically on your TV, but some apps do have that horizontal full view so that you can view the phone and the app completely on the TV. Okay, so this is the benefit from the lightning cable, that it's very cheap and you'll be able to view your phone normally on the TV. So let's talk a little bit now about the Apple TV. So the Apple TV, you'll also be able to view your phone, but now wirelessly on the TV through AirPlay. So on the iPhone, it has a certain setting that's called AirPlay, and when you select that, it should be able to read and find the Apple TV, and it's going to connect to it wirelessly. And same thing, you'll be able to view your phone the same way as the Lightning HDMI cable. You'll be able to view your phone vertically, and some apps that are capable of viewing horizontally in full mode, you'll be able to view them completely as well. The main difference here between the Apple TV and the cable obviously from the Apple TV connecting wirelessly, and this one connecting because it's with a wire. The other major difference and upgrade is that the Apple TV is a system, it's a platform all by itself. So you don't need to connect your iPhone to it. You just connect the Apple TV to your TV and it makes your TV a smart TV. And it has a remote control, so you'll be able to download apps from the App Store all by just using the Apple TV, and you don't have to have your phone connected to it. So the upside there being that you don't have to have your phone connected all the time to view it on the TV. With the cable, you have to always have it connected, so if messages or calls come in, it's going to come in while you're connected to the TV, so it might interrupt your usage. So with the Apple TV, you can simply just turn off AirPlay and disconnect your iPhone whenever you want from the TV, and you'll still be using your Apple TV apps that you have downloaded on your TV as well. So the Apple TV can also download most apps from the App Store and keep them saved on the Apple TV. They come with internal memory, so you can save all of your data on the Apple TV. Alright everyone, so these are 2 ways to view your iPhone on your TV. It doesn't have to be a smart TV, it could be with any TV as long as it has a HDMI port, because your Apple TV will connect with an HDMI cable to the TV, and this Lightning to HDMI cable is also a HDMI cable on one side and Lightning cable on the other to connect to your iPhone. So these are 2 main differences and pros and cons from using the Apple TV versus using a more inexpensive Lightning cable. So you guys decide which one you prefer to use. If you can do with just the Lightning cable, let me know down below in the description, or if you would prefer spending the extra cash going all the way and getting the Apple TV and enjoying all the extra features that it includes. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And leave comments down below. Let me know what you think and which device you're going to prefer to use to view your iPhone on your TV. Alright everyone, I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao!